Now to the state capitol, where Governor Pritzker plans to reserve $482 million from the current state budget to address the impacts of President Trump's policies.
WAD's Mike Miletich is at the Capitol. Reports now it comes months after Pritzker signed an executive order telling state agencies to find ways to cut their expenses.
Governor Pritzker told reporters in June that he was worried about the fiscal outlook for every state as Congress prepared to vote on the big beautiful bill.
The Trump slump is affecting every state, and the chaos and uncertainty of the Republicans' proposed cuts to health care and education and jobs have made budgeting, well, harder than ever before.
Over $360 million will be reserved from Healthcare and Human Services, with the Department of Healthcare and Family Services noting they don't need to transfer $200 million to the Healthcare Provider Relief Fund. The Department of Human Services is cutting $119 million from its budget due to reductions in operational expenses and grants. House GOP leaders say they're glad to finally see cuts being made to state spending, but they're upset it took 5 months to get answers.
It was an executive order that called for this in 30 days, and we're just now finding out about it. I don't know if it's because the budget address is coming up or what the reasoning is for it, but it's a little odd, the timing of the whole thing.
The administration is reserving $50 million from state employee health insurance funding, and $30 million will not be sent to public universities and community colleges. Representative Dan Ugasti was shocked to see $22 million reserved from the state's public safety agencies.
Why first didn't they go after the pork projects that the Democrats have on their side? There's a couple $100 million there easily. Why didn't they go to the money being spent for illegals here so that our citizens make sure they have the services?
The state's economic development, environment, and culture agencies will reserve over $10 million due to reductions in operational expenses and grants. Multiple agencies have also cut down on overtime, travel expenses, programs, and hiring.
You're seeing red states and blue states across the country struggle this year, forced to grapple with a lagging national economic growth estimates due to high tariffs and bad policy choices in Washington.
Reporting in Springfield, Mike Miletich, WAND News.
Governor's Office of Management and Budget expects that most state agencies will not see funding requests fulfilled for the next fiscal year, but say fiscal management over the coming months will help ensure agencies can face challenges expected over the next few years.